An unofficial strike by rail ticket inspectors in France, where inflation is 6%, means cancellation for a third of SNCF services this weekend. Staff are reportedly unhappy with a 12% pay deal. Passengers are using car shares or coaches instead. Christmas plans disrupted by industrial action. British paramedics are planning a second walkout on December the 28th. In England and Wales, NHS staff have been offered an average 4.5% wage hike. Inflation is 9.3%. Ambulance staff aren't the only ones striking.